Okay guys, Cardi here guys, with another repair video. This time I have on the bench guys, this is a DS18. This guy's a DS18 right there, and this is the GFX 5K1. Okay guys, GFX 5K1. Yes guys, you guys see good there right there. Right, and that's a view of the front panel. This is the view of the back here guys. Yeah, also this one was shipped in to me guys, along with the tar amplifier. You guys can see, look at this power supply. Toast guys, this thing is burned beyond, as you guys can see. Don't worry guys, this part of it doesn't paint black guys, it's burnt. It burnt up like real. You transfer there, this color that I hope can be repaired, but let's go ahead guys and just tear this apart, because you know you have to start from somewhere. So let's start. Sorry about the noise of the drill guys for now. I hope it doesn't bother you. Oh my word. Man. Power supply is toast. Huh. Okay, I see something. Oh, I think. Alright. Let's get to work guys. Let me take out the back panel. I think I'm gonna just remove 4 screws from back here. If I'm not wrong, 4, 5 and 6. I think 6 screws behind here guys that I'm going to have to remove. 6 screws. Maybe each fan. This screw. Screws the board to the chassis guys, yeah. And that side have 2, so this side supposed to have 8. Oh yeah. Don't have any more. Good. Very good. And for here, let me just remove 1 and 2. The one for the speaker make 2. Yes, because I'm gonna pull the circuit board that way. Alright, go ahead. That one fell just now. In my hand. Yep, right over there. Wow. So there's a screw underneath this one here, guys. Yeah, definitely a screw over here. I think underneath the fan. Right, these fan turn, you know, so these fan blow, suck and blow out. I think maybe not. Let me mark this fan just to make sure, because this doesn't have any. Okay, yeah. Have this black stuff to kind of show that it goes that way. See, 2 under 2 screws under this one. I don't think that I want to have any underneath it. Alright, the speaker. So these are good on guys for the speaker terminal, yeah. Yeah, these is why the board doesn't come out just now. Yeah. And the board is coming out with all kind of stuff, but I don't need it to take with it. Come on, leave those inside for now, guys. Alright, for this now. plug this little thing here, pull this through here, and that's how you get it. You have an empty casing. Guys, I'm gonna plug this fan for now. Don't have it. Look at this, guys. See that, guys? That power supply is toast. Show the other side here. Same result. Look at that, man. But here I see a little wire. Yeah, I don't think this is a problem. No, it doesn't look like it was. And these are the H1, guys. H1 power supply MOSFET. Those I'm gonna replace with the 1404, guys. Don't worry. Yeah, those are 1404s. So without, and these are the H9 for the output. H9, which you could use IRFB 4115 or IRFB 4127 for these if you want. Yep. And I also look at this, guys. This I think this is a C2. This is our poke in the yeah, C2. I don't know if you guys can see, but it have yeah, you could see where nah, this way, yes, guys. If this way, I think you guys can see it. Yeah, right in the middle there, you could see, yeah, a little bulge. Yeah, that burnt up. Oh my word! Come on, come on, come on! I don't want to see those stuff. All right, so I'm gonna just remove all these stuff, you know, guys. A bit. All these power supply MOSFET. I need the gloves now. Yes, guys. So I'm gonna use 2 gloves because these gloves are really thin, and sometimes they got hole in them. But to use 2 gloves is hard, guys, because it doesn't go on that easy. Oh, man, come on. What the heck? Come on. All right. Right. Then with the tar stuff I have there. The pile I didn't clean it up as yet, guys, so didn't get to clean it as yet. But this is second in line. Let's see if I can knock it out tonight. This guys is Saturday night, guys, and I'm off, so might as well. This guys, after this, I'm going to wash the circuit board before I do anything else. Right. How much it uses here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, 6. So yeah, 6 of each. 6 one side, 6 on the other side. That wow. This one needs 12, guys. DS18, guys. GF 5K. Here on the repair bench. At Cardi amplifier and subwoofer repair. And I do a lot more than subwoofer and amplifier repair, guys. A lot more than that. Yep. Also do crossover and stuff like that. Okay. Whew. Man, that thing. Okay. Yeah, guys, just know when I check the output, everything will seem to be fine. Seems like it's a power supply problem. So let's snug for the other one. Should be right there. Let's go clean these little hole here now. Before I wash the board. Just okay. So I'm gonna take a lot more than. Come on. Okay. Wow. Ooh. I got it, guys. I got it. Yep. Ooh. Rack of cages. Look at that. Sorry about that, guys. Thank you, Jesus. Yep. Get in there, guys. Get in there. Slowly but surely. Ha ha ha. Got you. Got you. What were you doing inside? Thought I get all of you guys out. But I know I'm gonna have to replace a bunch of gate resistors now and stuff like that in this amplifier. I can do that. Ooh-wee. All right then. So now, guys, I'm gonna take out this towel right here. Not gonna use that one. I'm going to use this one right here, now, guys, for a reason only by to clean the circuit board. Only that. That's the only reason. I'm going to use this one, guys. So I'm just softening up the black thing there, guys, on the board. Horrible. So yep. While I look for my brush, for my yeah. Got it, guys. What the heck? This thing, man. Wow. That's awesome. Wow. Well, yep. And this side, guys, it doesn't look that pretty. I'm doing now. Somewhere you look like it needs a wire brush, guys. But I think we'll get it. Yeah, pull resistor here. One should be a gate. One should be something else, like a 10 ohms or I don't know. One should be maybe a gate resistor here, guys, or a 1000 ohms. Yeah, that's 1K ohms or 10K. So not sure yet. Let you guys know in a minute what's going on here. We got that for tonight. If I don't get that tired and have to leave this until tomorrow I finish it, maybe. Yes, guys, if this video is getting too long, I'm definitely gonna stop it. Right again, the 17. Wow, it's come with 3 fans. Wow, one down, 2 here. Wow, okay. Alright, DS18, I see what you're doing there. Not bad. Wow. Damn. This little thing will poke you in the eye from where it is. Alright. That's and here I have one too. So there's one straight on there. Okay. Look at that. I'm keeping a part somewhere. Where is that? Any pointy thing? Guys, please make sure where you see black spot, just creep it away because you could have circuit run beneath it and that will mess you up in your repair. Just catch one over here just now. just catch one on the circuit. Underneath it look like it burnt off though, so yep. Wow. Clean these up, cause the way this thing burn, it seems like even the wire on these burn, but I don't think so. I hope not. Ow! I would hope not. Even though I can rewind this, guys, yeah, but I don't want that kind of headache with this right now. Yes, guys, I can rewind these, but yeah, a lot of times, yeah. You guys will see me do it one day, maybe soon too. Because I have a amplifier. I think it's a Lanzar, guys, 7000. I'm gonna have to. I'm looking it. I can't find one, so definitely maybe I'm gonna have to wind it myself. This guy rewind it. I can do that. This guys, as you can see here, yeah, it's really black, dark. So scrape it, make sure you can see where all these traces go. If not, clean the board some more. Even on this side here. Okay. Alright, so yep. It's not too bad, guys. Look at that. Nice cleanup, eh? Nice cleanup, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Alright. Nice. So, yep. So, let me start clean this some more. Some of these pin on the hole for the pin for the transistor is not that clean. Put this up right there. Yes, I'm still showing me some solder. Yeah. Okay. Right, that's a gate right there. That should be a gate. Alright, so let me get into the oh, should I start from? Let me start from this side, guys, so you guys can maybe see. Alright, yes. Like what I'm doing here. Right. Yeah, I'm not gonna wash it anymore. Let me use this one. This kind of show up a bit more, guys. Sorry about that. Yep. So this kind of, yeah. So which way should I go? This way. Okay. No. It will be easier for you guys to see, but it's gonna be hard for me. Which I would rather sacrifice. Do it my way and then tell you guys how it goes. Alright, gate resistor should be. Oh, really? Come on. One zero zero, that should be 10 ohms. Hold on. I'm not getting a good one. Oh, yeah, 100, guys. 100. That's 10 ohms. Gate resistor. Really now. Oh, yes, 10 ohms, guys. Let me show you. Right, so it stays right there. The gate resistor, guys. 10 ohms. See, guys? That's one I'm reading 10 ohms and diode setting here. This meter can do that. Look at that. Yep. And these are what the heck? Oh, these are bad. That's good. This one is bad. But really now, I'm gonna replace all of them, guys. Don't let it fool you. Don't. Let me show you something again. And this one beside the gate, there's one on what side of the amplifier? See that one? So these are gate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beside that one right over here. That should be a 1K. Let me see. Not getting any reading from this one. Hold on. And this one is resistor. Let me tell you resistor. Which one is this? Resistor 143. And it has, hold on, what's this number on it? It has some liquid on it, kind of messing. Yeah, put my little magnifying glass with the handle. Okay, says 102. Hold on, guys. Hold on a minute. I don't want to mess this up because if I don't know what goes here, that'll be a problem. 102. No, 103. Oh. What did I make that mistake? 103, guys, is I don't quite remember 103 so much again, guys. Let me see if, but I think it's, yeah, 103 is supposed to be, 103 is 10K, guys. Yes, 10K, if I'm not wrong. Let me see. You put it on Holmes reading, you get 9, but yeah. That guy's 9 points up. So this is 10K right there. 103 meter, yeah, that's 10K. And there's a gate resistor beside it. Put it on beep, see if it beeps. That's bad. There's one there too. So this is what is, this is what is. This is what is. And this is for this one right here. Yep, so just some gate resistors. And I'm going to replace power supply MOSFET, all the power supply MOSFET, guys. This little IC right here. But before, let me show you guys why. Let me just replace this really quick and fast. So this is it. Yeah, number one is at the top right there. So you have 1, 2, 3. Yeah, guys, this cone goes that way. We just replace this. This is a C2, I think, from that line. All right. Oh, what the heck? Come on, some. Yes, guys, the little hole in the top. Not really a hole, just a little bulge up like. See that, guys? Yeah, perfect. You guys can see it like that. Yep, that's it, guys. So that's definitely toasted. That's good. That's not good. That's a C2, so that's gonna be 44, 27, or any one of the number that matches with that one. Let me get one so you guys can see, just in case I don't do anything more on camera. So you guys definitely. Sometimes I get busy, guys. I just put in the MOSFET and then I tell you exactly what's up, what I did. Yes, guys, I have a bunch of these here. So this one I'm gonna install in it is 27,524. Right, 27,524, guys, is the same as the 4427. All right, guys. All right, so you guys see how I'm doing it now. Let's go. Oh. I did something wrong just now, guys. Set up both pin at the same time, which you can do if you know what to do. And let's see this thing here. All of a sudden, this screwdriver magnet, and really I needed this thing, and it wasn't doing nothing. But now it has magnet. Really now. Yep, that's it. Could flood this with some soda if you want, or if you know to get it back up. I'm not going to do that, guys. Right. Make sure you turn it the right way, guys. Install it the correct. Right. So this is the one that said 5 volts to these guys, to the power supply. Must read this IC right here. Sometimes you have a little, this 47 ohm resistor somewhere close by that normally burnt. So let me see which one is this back here. I think this says 100, but when I tested just now, it didn't say nothing like 100. Oh. So sometimes you can see it on it, guys, but sometimes, you know. All right, let me see again. Let me check again. Wow. It's giving me a hard time to figure out. For some reason, it says 100, but and that's resistor 18, guys. Resistor 18. Yeah, one. Oh yeah, something really messed up with it. Really burnt up. Oh man, I make it worse. No numbers on it now, guys. Oh yeah, it burnt up. That says, I think it's a 100 ohms. 100, guys. That means 10 ohms resistor. It's a 10 ohm resistor, guys. 10 ohms. Resistor 18, guys. Got to go. Yes, guys. Now on the amplifier power supply issue. That one, all right. Let me see if it goes like the term. See if this one runs straight from the power supply from the which one is the port terminal here, the positive terminal right here. Aha. See that, guys? That one runs from, it goes straight from the positive terminal to the leg on this thing, yeah. You guys can see from the positive terminal here to it, so yeah. And then let me see, it comes to this IC right here. See that? It comes right to the IC, guys. So yep. That's it. That's how you trace these stuff, guys. So by the time to know a lot of stuff, yeah, that's how I know. That's how I learn how to do what, guys. So stuff like that, yeah. So if you don't see me using a scope, is like that's the way the route I go, guys, to find a lot of problems. That's why I'm figuring out all the amplifier work and how, you know, other amplifiers similar to it where they were just the same. And then you have those right there, which is I think those are good. I think those read that way, yeah. Yep. And this side too. And this side, yep. And then this side read different on these IC here. This side should read differently. Yep. Alright, so yep. Definitely that 10 ohm resistor right there. And 10 ohm resistor for the gate resistor for the power supply. So yeah. So yes guys, so please like, subscribe, like what you see guys. So for now I'm gonna stop the video here guys. I'm gonna make a part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside. I need to get some rest. Been working all morning. So what I'm going to do guys, to stop the repair here, maybe I just put this 10 ohm resistor and then I'll show you when I'm reinstalling these gate resistor there, and we go on from there guys. But yeah, but after I do that, I'm gonna come off camera. I'm gonna just go through the board and see if I see anything else after I replace this one here guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see guys, and Cardi guys out for now. Okay guys, enough respect. Stay tuned guys. Part 2 of this video with this DS18, and this is the GFX 5K1. I think that means Godfather. That I don't know. But yes, guys, alright. Please stay tuned for part 2 of this video, guys. Coming up shortly. Alright, enough respect.